Hey guys, this is going to be another quick Linux command video. Check the link in the description for more info and for copy and paste examples. The Linux command newgrp can be used to change the primary group membership of a user for a session. Now, you need to be a member of that group or have the password for that group. So let's give it a try. First, let's see who I am right now. So my current user is user1 and my current group ID is user1. So let's say if I go new grp and say group 1. Now I know the password for this, so I can say, there we go. We're going to run, whoops, we're going to run ID. And you can see my group ID is now group 1. So I have the password for group 1, enter it in when I switch groups with the new group command, and now my group is group 1. Now if we run new grp again, it's going to set the group back to the original group. Now let's try this with another group, new grp group 2. Now notice with this one, I didn't need to type in a password. That's because I'm a member of group 2 already. So now my primary group membership is group 2. So I'm a member of the group, but I changed my primary group to group 2. Now let's take a look. I'm going to become root and show you the groups file. You don't need to be root to see that file, but I'm going to also show you the gshadow file. So vi etc group. Now down here you see I have group 1 and group 2. So in group 2 you see I added myself to that group. I added user 1 to that group. Now group 2 I had to have the password for that group. Rather, group 1 I needed the password to become that group, and group 2, since I'm a member, I don't need the password. So let's take a look at gshadow. So notice here you have group 1. So this one has a password that we can use. So if you know the password for this hash, you can see there's a hash here. That means it has a password assigned. If you know that password, you can become that group. Now group 2 does not have a password assigned, so you can't use a password to become this group, but you see I am a member of this group. So I'm able to become that group or set that as my primary group. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you is that you can also say, let's get out of here and say new grp, and instead of just saying group 1 like this would change your primary group to group 1. You can also use a dash like this, and what this is going to do, it's going to reinitialize your environment as if the user had just logged in. So you can go like this, and basically it's the same thing, but it reinitializes the environment. So let's see here. Anyways, yeah, new group will set your primary group back. So yeah, back to user 1. So anyways, that's basically everything I wanted to cover with the new group command. Remember, check the links in the description for more info. Hit the subscribe button for more useful content like this. We also have a ton of other more interesting content covering things like coding, hardware, software, servers, Raspberry Pis, 3D printing, and a whole lot more. Hopefully you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.